Born from vintage appeal and broad aftermarket support, this sinister 69 Camaro is a virtual tour de force of proven mechanicals. And with a clean body that's dropped on custom suspension, fitted with a leather-lined cockpit and bolted to a powerful LS7, is the kind of F-body that gains respect wherever it goes. The beneficiary of a professional frame-off restoration, this slick 69 Camaro features a seamless custom appearance that's highlighted by immaculate custom-blended charcoal steel paint. Take one look down the sides of the car's rock-solid body and it becomes very obvious that great care was taken to ensure every panel is aligned to better-than-new condition. This is a very well-done Pro Tour that's built to exacting specifications thanks to a combination of skilled workmanship and first-rate finishing. Behind the solid closing doors, you'll find a supple interior that wraps firm leather seats in a nice blend of style and convenience. A custom leather top dash hangs a slick set of Stewart Warner gauges next to a push-button start, hidden modern audio, and modern climate control. The custom console props a sculpted Hurst shifter between illuminated window switches and LED courtesy lamps, and the driver grips a sporty billet specialty steering wheel. Rated at over 500 horsepower, the lightweight, high-performance 7-liter LS7 is a technological testament to the old rule: more displacement equals more horsepower. Getting that power to the ground is a Tremec 6-speed and Mosier 9-inch rear that's cradled in Detroit Speed suspension components. Sometimes the best cars are the ones that speak softly. No blower sticking through the hood, no stall-inducing idle, and no wild graphics. Just a clean, solid, well-constructed classic that was purpose-built to look great and kick butt. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.